Little D stopped by, and he wants to go for a ride on the ORB. But we weren't done wiring it yet. So Dio picked up the little connectors we needed, and we're just finished wiring it up. Gonna slide some wire loom on it. But yeah, we got switches here. Good solid metal switches. I've got some switch extensions I'm gonna go grab. We're gonna get those threaded on there. And then we're gonna see if we can take this guy for a ride, because he is jonesing to get out and enjoy this beautiful day. We got our chrome switch extensions, slow, fast. You can go your speeds, battery, tying up, doing some wire looming. I'm gonna zip tie them up to the frame. Looking good. There it is, beautiful sunny day. Going for a ride in it. Oh man. So he's been fussing and fighting for 10 minutes while we were wiring this up, but now he's quiet. Loving it. Dustin's just trying out our little, our idea here with the switches. See if the driving individual motors for turning is gonna work. It looks like it's working out good. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. Quieted right down as soon as we got him in there. No more fussing. That's awesome. And today the cart is going home. It isn't 100% done, but it's done enough they can enjoy the holiday weekend with it, and that's what matters. All right, we just got back from a 1 mile walk with the ORB. We walked down to that guy's barn down there, which is about a half mile away and a half mile back. And we are still at full charge on the full charged battery. And the motors are not hot. They're warm, but they're not hot. All in all, it was an excellent little walk. D was nice and quiet the whole time. He hates to stop. Big shout out to everyone who has helped make this thing possible and come to fruition. Having the speed control worked great for walking up and down the hills, being able to control that speed and keep it consistent the whole way. So, looking forward to more walks. We're going to try to keep doing this. Thank you very much, everybody. Thanks for all the help. Appreciate it very much. All right, we are on what's looking to be kind of the bitter end of the project. So we still need to wrap the motors somehow. We got to come up with some sort of a motor covering here, which we've got some PVC pipe, we've got some metal that was donated. We got some different ideas, so we're going to kind of pick and choose, figure out what's going to work best for that. And then I think we just need to tear it all apart, and we're going to give some things a coat of paint, kind of make it all tie it in and match. So we got to paint the spindles that we fabricated. We're going to paint the wheels so they're not John Deere yellow faded out anymore. And then whatever our motor covering is, we'll paint. So we already kind of painted the switch panel and the battery panel. So we are getting really close, but they were able to take it out and utilize it over the holiday weekend, and sounds like they had a lot of success with that. So the concept is proven, everything works good. Now we're just going to hammer down some details, and it'll be ready for good. So we've got this chunk of PVC pipe that once was my water port thing that I made. But we needed a chunk of 6-inch PVC, and we're here and we're trying to do things. So sacrifices were made. Now we're trying to figure out, if we trim it, how to fit it. So this is actually a lot lighter than the chunk of tin that was donated to us. So we're trying to go with something a little bit lighter weight to try and keep the buggy as light as possible. So now it's just a matter of figuring out how we cut it around this and how we attach it to the frame. So in the meantime, for my birthday, the guys are making me a welding cart, which I think it's actually for them because they're sick of working on the floor when they come over. But what a gift. This is awesome.
The ORB is a success. Everybody is going to be able to go out and off-road. Yay! It's a game changer.
What do you think?